Now Ajit can do one-fourth of the job in 3 days, and Sujit can do one-sixth of the job in 4 days. Now they are working together and they are paid rupees 180 in all. We will have to find out how much would Ajit get. So let's not talk about their share of money first. First, let us find out how much time they are going to take to complete the job together. We know Ajit takes 3 days to complete one-fourth of the work. So, complete work by Ajit can be done in 12 days. If Ajit does one-fourth of the work in 3 days, then the complete work he can complete in 12 days, right? Now, this was Ajit's case. Let's talk about Sujit. He takes 4 days to complete one-sixth of the work. So if he takes 4 days to complete one-sixth of the work, so complete work by Sujit can be done in 24 days. Ajit can complete the work in 12 days and Sujit can complete the same work in 24 days. And now they are working together. So we know Ajit's efficiency is this. One unit of work Ajit can complete in 12 days. One piece of work in 12 days. So in one day, the complete work by Ajit can be done in 12 days. So in one day, he would do 1/12 of the work. And now let's talk about Sujit. He does the complete work in 24 days. So in one day, he does 1/24 of the work. Is that clear? So in one day, Ajit would do 1/12 of the work and Sujit would do 1/24 of the work. Now they are working together. So in one day, Ajit is doing 1/12 of the work and Sujit is doing 1/24 of the work. And let's find out how much work they would do together in one day. So here we go. So together, Ajit and Sujit would complete 1/8 of the work. 1/8 of the complete work. So if they continue to work together, so in 8 days, they will complete the entire work. 8 days, the work will be done. In one day, together they do 1/8 of the work. So in 8 days, they will complete the work together. But that was not the question. Our question was this. We wanted to know how much would Ajit get. Together, They got rupees 180. And we know Ajit does 1/12 of the work in one day, and Sujit does 1 by 24th of the work in one day. Here we see Ajit is more efficient than Sujit. Now let's divide it, let's convert it. Let's convert this ratio into whole number so that it is convenient for us to make a division of this sum. So, how are we going to do it? We will take the first number that is in the form of rational numbers and multiply it with the LCM. Then we will take the second rational number and we will multiply it with the LCM again. So here we have 2:1. So this is the efficiency ratio of Ajit and Sujit. That is 2:1. So we can see Ajit is more efficient, so he should get more money. So, and their work efficiency are in the ratio 2:1. So the amount they received is 180. Let's divide it amongst them. So we can write 2x plus x is equal to 180, and we have x is equal to 60. So 2x is equal to 120. So Ajit will get rupees 120. As he is more efficient, he should get more money. That was easy.